Hello, this is Brother Joseph, and this is part 4 on the habit. Covered the top mark, Luke, which goes on next, and now it's Matthew's turn. This is going to go on the front. It's very simple. There are absolutely no buttons on it. It's all slits. Mark goes on the front, or Matthew goes on the front. 0 buttons and 36 slits. Let's take a look at those slits. This is just a brief graph of it, but this is where they are. They are across the shoulders and across each side. Again, the top numbers, this is feet, go across the measurement and down. So the top number is actually on the inside, it will be the inches, the top will be the feet. See in inches where it is across, and then it's 7 inches across, and then you put the button, it's 1 inch down on the inside. Here's my cloth, you can see. Now I must say this, you can see the slits. This is where the shoulders are. I made a mistake. I put an extra slit here. I could cover it up, I just kind of left it. But really, technically, all you need is the 3 slits here for the one shoulder. That's for the center, and the 3 slits for the other shoulder. That is mine. And here it is again. This is in the graph. It'll show you where the placement of each button is. And make sure I get that in focus. And that's the end of part 4. Next is part 5, where we will cover John, the waist.